Biochemistry really is a branch of science which uses chemistry to solve real-life biological problems, such as the current pandemic. In fact, during the 3 years, you will be exploring many topics such as disease, microbiology and viruses. Upon graduation, biochemists can work in the public sector, and here within the UK, the National Health Service is the largest employer. Outside the public sector, the pharmaceutical industry, the drug discovery sector, or they could be working within the diagnostic sector. If you were not interested in the medical sector and the pharmaceutical sector, the consumer goods sector is another very large employer, and you would be working for food industry, drinks industry. So if this is something which interests you, please visit our website and we would be happy to answer any questions you have.